This is Ubuntu Touch Mobile OS running on Fairphone 5. And whenever I connect this phone with my computer, my phone converts into a full Ubuntu Linux desktop. Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SSTec tutorials, and in this video we are going to look at Ubuntu Touch Linux OS for mobile phone. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So Ubuntu Touch is an open source Linux operating system powered by Lomiri and maintained by Ubuntu community. Unlike Android or iOS, it's built around Linux core principles, user freedom and privacy first design. The user interface is called Lomiri and is specifically designed for touch device with gesture-based navigation and multitasking. Swiping from the edge control multitasking, navigation and quick actions. The experience feels clean, modern and designed specifically for touch interaction instead of relying on buttons. The interface feels more natural and fluid. Underneath the mobile interface, there is a real Linux-based operating system. Developer can access the terminal, run Linux command, and do experiment far beyond what traditional mobile operating system allow. One of the most impressive features of Ubuntu Touch is whenever you connect your phone to a monitor, keyboard and mouse, and the interface suddenly transforms into a desktop-style environment. And in this environment, you can run the apps in window mode, multitasking becomes easier, and your phone suddenly feels like a lightweight Linux computer. Privacy is one of the core philosophy behind this Ubuntu Touch operating system, and user-installed applications are sandboxed and permissions are controlled by the user. And also the operating system avoids unnecessary tracking. The goal is very simple. Your device should belong to you. Ubuntu Touch and Lomiri both are fully open source. Anyone can inspect the code, contribute to improvement, report bugs, or help with the translation and testing. There is even a bounty program where contributors can earn rewards for solving problems, improving UI design, and developing new features. The development is driven by the community instead of large corporations, creating a more transparent ecosystem. It's a great example of sustainable open source collaboration for Ubuntu Touch operating system. Apps on Ubuntu Touch mainly come from the OpenStore. You will find native applications, web apps, utilities, and community-created tools. The ecosystem is smaller compared to Android and iPhone, but the focus here is openness and user control rather than massive commercial ecosystem. Ubuntu Touch receives regular OTA updates that improve feature, security, and stability. Many older devices continue receiving support long after official manufacturer updates end. Instead of forcing hardware upgrade, Ubuntu Touch helps extend the device lifespan. It may not replace mainstream smartphone for everyone for now, but for Linux users, developers, and privacy enthusiasts, is one of the most interesting mobile operating systems available today. So that's all for today. Let me know in the comment section below, would you daily drive a Linux phone after watching this video? Or should I upload a video about my experience after using a Linux phone for a month? So if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Linux, open source and tech content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.